Hello students, I am Santosh Kumar Singh, your subject teacher of biology. In last videos you have learned about the first chapter, that is life process. In different videos you have learned about the different topics in them. Today we will start the next chapter, that is control and coordination. Before to start this chapter, please stay at home and wash your hands properly. This is the 7th chapter in your syllabus, that is control and coordination. There is two words. First is control and second is coordination. They have different meaning. If we say about the in class decorum, the teachers first control the students and the students coordinate with each other and make a class silent or in proper way. So let's this topic with a flowchart, basic concept of this chapter through the flowchart. So let's start the topic control and coordination. Control word is represent to control any activity or any process, and the coordination word represents the integration between the different organ. For example, when we move from one place to another, we control our body and the different organ coordinate with each other. So today we will study about the human nervous system. The human nervous system is made up of nerve cells, that is called neuron. Neuron is basic unit of nervous system. It is of two type, sensory neuron and motor neuron. What are the sensory neuron? The neuron which receives the senses from the environment, that is called sensory neuron, and the neuron which takes the action against the senses, that is called motor neuron. Here is sensory neuron carries impulses from brain and spinal cord to effector organ. Then motor neuron transmit impulses from sensory organ to CNS. So there are two types of neuron. Number one, sensory neuron. Number two, motor neuron. What is a neuron? Neuron is also known as nerve cell. It has two parts. Number one, cyton or cell body. Number two, axon. Cell body or cyton has different, or you can say there are lots number in dendrites, and the long projection is called axon. The covering on the axon is called myelin sheath. So what is the myelin sheath? It is a covering layer on the axon. And another part, the axon also divided in axon terminal. So the neuron has different part. Number one, cyton. Number two, axon. Number three, dendrites. And number four, axon terminal. As you know, the neuron transmit the message from one cell to another cell. Then its message travels into the brain. Through brain, we identify about the impulses or any sensation which receives from the environment. As you know, there is two types of neuron. First is sensory neuron and second is motor neuron. Now, how many types of neuron? First is sensory. This is the diagram of the sensory neuron. Second is motor neuron. And another neuron is called relay neuron, which is located between the sensory neuron and motor neuron. It helps in transfer the message which receives from the sensory neuron into the motor neuron. So you can say also that it interpret the message into the command. This is the typical structure of the motor neuron. Motor neuron, how this neuron work. So there is two part, one part of the one neuron and there is another part of another neuron. Now in next topic we understand about the central nervous system. What is the central nervous system? It controls all the activities of the body. It transmits impulses from sensory organ to CNS. CNS full for central nervous system. It has two parts, human brain and spinal cord. In next video we will discuss about the human brain and spinal cord. But today understand the rest part of the nervous system. First is central nervous system and second is peripheral nervous system, that is called PNS. It has three parts, cranial nerves, second is spinal nerves and third is visceral nerves. What is cranial nerves? The nerves associated with brain is called cranial nerves, carries both sensory and motor nerves, and the number of cranial nerves is 12 pair. These 12 pair present in animals. And what is the spinal nerves? The nerves connected with spinal cord is called spinal nerves. Have both sensory and motor neuron, motor receptor, and the number of spinal nerves is 31 pair. So 31 pair present in human beings and as well as other animals. Visceral nerves mostly arise from spinal cord. Few also arise from brain. Have both sensory and motor neuron. So they arises from spinal cord and as well as brain, and they have also sensory and motor neuron as similar to other nerves. Next is autonomic nervous system, ANS. So first was CNS, second is PNS and third one is ANS, autonomic nervous system. It is visceral motor, involuntary activity. There are lots of involuntary activity occurs in our body. So this is the motor neuron, involuntary, conduct impulses from the CNS to cardiac muscle, smooth muscle and glands. There is two parts, some sympathetic division and parasympathetic division. All activities which are not controlled by our own cells, that is sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic mobilize body system during activity, fight or flight. And next, the conserves energy. Parasympathetic conserve energy, promotes housekeeping function during rest. So this is the topic, a brief introduction about the control and coordination in human being. So you all stay at home, stay healthy. In next topic we will discuss about